Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this updated video, we'll show you how to turn off Send Read Receipts in X. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This will open up your profile settings. Step 3. Now, navigate to Setting and Support. You can usually find this option in the menu that appears after tapping your profile picture. Step 4. Tap on Settings and Privacy. This will bring you to a list of settings related to your account and privacy. Step 5. Then select Privacy and Safety. Look for this option within the Settings menu. Step 6. Within the options, find and tap on Direct Messages. This will take you to the settings specifically for direct messaging. Step 7. Scroll down until you see Send Read Receipts. This option allows you to enable or disable the feature. Simply toggle it off to disable the Send Read Receipts feature. By doing this, you'll prevent others from knowing when you've read their messages, and there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can turn off Send Read Receipts in X. This allows you to maintain your privacy and prevent others from knowing when you've read their messages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.